What's up guys, welcome to another Scratch tutorial. This is part 7 on how to make a maze game in Scratch, and in this video we'll be looking at how to buy the machine gun and how to shoot the machine gun. But anyways, without further ado, let's get started. So here's the code from last time, and if you haven't seen parts 1 through 6 yet, you can check them out, links in the description. But anyways, first I'm going to create a new variable, and I'm going to call this machine gun bot, question mark, and make sure this is for all sprites, then click OK. So I'm going to go and duplicate this whole part and put it inside here. So I want to change all the pistol bots to the machine gun bot, and the machine gun costs 15 coins, so I'll make this 14. Change this to machine gun, and this to machine gun, and yep, that's all. I'll also make sure to type this machine gun. Okay. So the next thing I want to do is you can now inside the weapon sprites, I'm going to duplicate this, but I'm going to change this to machine gun bot, and I'm going to go to looks and drag a switch costume to pistol here, and a switch costume. Actually, we don't have a machine gun costume yet, so I'm going to duplicate this costume, change this to machine gun, and I'm going to make this a bit longer, and I'm going to paint it black. Okay, so back inside the code, switch costume machine gun. Okay, so now you can buy the machine gun and you can hold it. So I'm going to go set the money to 20. And I buy the machine gun. Oh, don't have it yet. So, okay, so we need to actually set machine gun bot to false at the beginning. And also, over here, the machine gun costs 15 coins, so I'm going to subtract 15 coins from the money. Okay, so let's try this out. So I bought it, and now I have it, which is exactly what I want. As you can see, I can't move because this over here is the color black. So to fix this, I'm going to go into the backdrops, and I'm going to put the backdrops into a sprite. So I'm going to create a new sprite, and I'm going to call this level. So I'm going to drag, I don't need to drag the test backdrop. I'm going to drag level 1 into here. I'm going to go drag level 2 and level 3. So inside the backdrops, since I already have it in the level, I'm going to delete everything. So delete. But instead, I'm not going to delete everything over here. I'm just going to delete only the level and keep the spikes. And same with this one too. Okay, so inside the level sprite, everything's fine. Got level 1, level 2, and level 3. So I'm going in here, I'm going to delete the spikes. So in the backdrop, I'm going to delete the level, and in the sprite, I'm going to delete the spikes. So I want this to go to the center. I want it to switch costume to the right level. So when I receive next level, next backdrop, and over here I'm going to drag a when I receive next level, next costume, and make sure this is level 1. I'm also going to drag a go to back layer. So inside the player sprite, instead of touching the color black, it's going to be touching level. So our collision detection still works and stuff. And if I try to hit the spikes, as you can see, that still works and stuff. Okay, so now I want the to shoot the weapon. Okay, so inside the player sprite, I'm going to duplicate this, and I'm going to change this to machine gun bot. And instead of wait until not mouse down, I'm going to wait 0.1 seconds. So I'm going to right click, delete 3 blocks. Okay. So now I'm going to go buy the machine gun. I have the machine gun. Oh, and the bullets are not showing. For some reason. So the same thing with the touching color black. The bullet stops when it touches the color black, and the machine gun is the color black. So I'm going to just replace it with touching level. So now if I try it again, as you can see, I can shoot the bullets, which is exactly what I want. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next Scratch tutorial. Peace out.